Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to discuss about an interesting concept called as an IDE. So we have understood what exactly is a programming language, why Python, and now it's a time to explore where exactly you're gonna write your Python programming. That's where IDE plays an important role. IDE in the sense it's an integrated development environment, which is a software application that provides everything you need to write, run, debug, manage code at one single place. Think of this IDE like a full toolbox for the programmers where you can actually edit your code, write your code, compile your code or run your code, debugger, finding errors, terminal to execute the commands, extensions or plugins to add different features. So if all these things are available in one single place instead of looking for different apps, so that's where an IDE plays a very important role. Okay, so what is a Python IDE? Python IDE is a development environment specially designed to code in a Python. It helps in autocomplete, syntax highlighting, debugging, fixing an error, running Python scripts, as well as managing virtual environments. So we have a different Python IDEs like VS Code, PyCharm, Jupyter Notebook, Google Colab, Spider. But being a beginner, we'll be starting with Google Colab because it's so easy to use and user friendly. Google Colab is an online Jupyter notebook provided by a Google. I'm preferring this because no installation. It provides a free GPU and TPU for ML. Write and run Python just in a browser. You need just Google Chrome browser as well as an internet connection. You can launch and you can work. No need to worry about an installation, memory, and all nothing. And it's easy for pandas, NumPy, machine learning, and deep learning because it comes with default installations. Some of the Python libraries are already installed, so you need not struggle in installing them. It's perfect for beginners to learn Python for data science. Okay, so that's the reason today's video I'm going to explain you like how exactly you can use the Google Colab. Excited? Simple. Just go to a browser and search for Google Colab. Just search for Google Colab. Either just click on a first link itself, welcome to Colab, and just click on a new notebook. So it will launch a new notebook for you. This is one way of opening your Google Colab. Simple way, right? Yeah, this is an interface. We call this as a Google Colab, wherein you have a title, you can edit it. You have a code cell, text cell, wherein you can write your code. Okay, the other easiest way is just you can type collab.new. It will automatically launch a Google Colab for you. Just collab.new will launch a new Colab notebook for you. Interesting, right? Yeah. So very first thing that you need to understand is this is your notebook name where you can give your different names. I'll just call it like a class one. Okay, that is saving file. One interesting thing, this file is connected to a Google Drive, automatically saves. So you need not worry about saving. You need not worry if it's missed. You can find it in a Google Drive. It is available in a Google Drive. And one more interesting thing, you can also share it with others. You have an option to share it with others. Okay, that's an interesting thing about this Google Colab. You can just actually, share it with others by giving an access. You have two different things here. One is a code cell, another one is a text cell. So text cell is for giving heading. You can just use a hash and you can start giving headings. So one single hash means you will get a bigger heading. So if you keep on increasing your hashes, the size of a text will decrease. Okay, like this. And this is for code cell where you can write your program. So whatever you want, you can just write. So this is a place where you can write a program. Okay, so just understand text, code cell, and you can share this notebook with others and it automatically saves. So much knowledge related to Google Colab is like more than sufficient. I hope it's clear. Thank you. Happy learning.